Hello everyone, welcome to Architect Talks. In this video, I am going to explain how to copy the REST API data to ADLS GEN location. So for this, we need a sample REST API URL. So I got this one. So we'll try to get this from Chrome. Just copy that but paste it here, just enter, and you see the data is there, some data. So this is in JSON file format, which is semi-structured format. So this might contain nested arrays and nested stitches. So this is how it look like if you see this data, right? So it is closed with an array which and ends with here array, and inside that for each array, so it has ID column, employee name, and then employee salary, employee age, and profile image. Similarly, for the record 2, it has same number of columns. So what we are going to do is, we are going to get all this data by using Azure Factory into the Azure Blob Storage. Okay, let's go to, let's close this one. Let's go to, let me delete this one, this is an existing one. Okay, let's go to Azure Factory, and here I will create one new pipeline, which is REST API pipeline. And for this I need a copy activity to copy the data. So in this copy activity, we need to have source and sink datasets. So I'll be creating source dataset, which is REST. Continue, and also I need to create a linked service for this. So I'll be using auto resolve runtime and base URL, right? So this is a base URL. So we need to copy this one and paste it here, and then authentication should be anonymous, and then everything is good. Okay, try for test connection. Okay, connection successful. Okay, then create. Okay, so for source dataset and linked service is created. Similarly for the sink, we need to create a dataset. For the sink, we need to have Gen2. Continue, and we are going to store the data in text file. So CSV format we need to select. Continue, and this is sink dataset. That is fine. Linked service, we need to select the linked service which is already created. So first try as header, fine. Select the header and select the landing path. That is fine. Okay. Okay, now we have to, the important thing we have to observe is go to the mapping area. Since we are getting the JSON file format and there might be nested columns, so for that we need to flatten the data to make to CSV file. So just click on the mapping and try to drop down this collection difference if there are any arrays. Okay, just try to import the schemas first, and then now try to drop down the collection difference and click on data. Again import the schemas, maybe there might be some difference. Okay, yeah, now you can see, right, for the array data we can see ID column, employee name, employee salary, employee age, and profile name. For the out of the array data array, there are two columns, status and message. So if we don't want to have these two columns, so we can delete these two columns, and if you want to have only these 5 columns, we can have these 5 columns. Okay, and we can also select the type of the all these data types, all these columns. So ID usually it should be, so it is depends upon our requirement. You can select this one or not, that is fine, but basically by default we can get this data types. Okay, and that is fine. And I think just we need to debug this one. Debug. It's running. So the thing is, if you don't select the reference collection difference, right, so we will be getting only the very first record. If we have that collection reference data as an array, then we are going to get all the records present in that array. So it ran fine. So if you look at this pets icon, right, we can see REST API data is succeeded ingesting at Azure ADLS Gen2. Okay, and we can see some metrics here. Just close this one and go back to the landing area. Just refresh this one, and you can see one file is generated here. So just open this file and click on edit. So you can see the first record is header record, and the second from the second rows are all data, which is in CSV file format. So these are separated by the comma. Okay, I think this is how we will be getting the REST API data into ADLS Gen2 location in the form of CSV file format. Hope you like this video, and thank you.